Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating variables so you can use dynamic values in the package. Open the variables pane and add a new variable with a clear name and correct data type. This matters for expressions and type conversions. Once done, set an initial value to test behavior. Make sure you assign the right scope, package level for global use, task, or container for localized use, because scope determines where you can reference the variable during execution. Now integrate the variable into task properties and expressions so the package reacts to runtime values. For example, open an execute SQL task and map a variable to a parameter, or set a connection string using an expression that concatenates a variable. If you need computed values, enable evaluate as expression and write a clear expression. You can also use variables inside a script task by reading DTS. Variables. Make sure to add them to finish by validating and testing the variable usage across the package. Execute in debug mode, set breakpoints, and inspect variable values in the locals or watch window so you can verify expected content. If something breaks, check type mismatches first and review the expression syntax in the expression builder. Make sure logging is enabled to capture evaluation errors, and when using script task, catch exceptions and log DTS variables to pinpoint the issue. This single step resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.